Hey y'all, in today's video I was at the 2024 Columbus Goodguys event and I came across a 1964 C10 I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out real quick. You know, this is one of them builds, one of them trucks that you'll walk by and you're really messing up if you do. Luckily, Ben with Countryside Customs, he did it right. He got with me, I don't know, a while back, told me he was building this truck. Kept me kind of posted, didn't bug me, but just kind of let me know where it was at. And then when it was ready to come out at Columbus, he got with me and said, you know, please come by and look at it. And what a blessing it was, because he's a cool cat. Young, I don't know how old he is or his experience. I'm just getting to know him. But I can tell you that I've looked at his work and, yeah, they know what they're doing. And again, this is one of them trucks. Of course, you know, being blue and black, I like it. It's Porsche Garland Blue Pearl with satin black accents. I like that. But it hides so much, and they've done the work so well, the fab work on it so well, that you can't see where they did it. And aesthetically and design wise, they didn't make any changes. You know, it's always in the details. They made custom door handles that are 3/4 of an inch smaller, I guess more lower profile than the stock ones, so they look like stock door handles, but they're more sleek. You know, how cool is that? I love it. And I love a build car or truck that just sucks you into the details. And this is one that if you see it, talk to Ben and have him show you what he's done. Because again, you won't see the work, and unless you're a C10 aficionado, when I'm not, I'm just a fan, you won't know where they've done the work at. They laid the B-pillar back to match the sweep of the doors in the bed. And then the work between the bed and the doors has all been matched, because before it had like a roll there between the bed and the door, and now they made that line go all the way down. Up underneath, just as nice as the rest of it. 383 stroker with AFR heads, 20x8 in the front, 20x10s in the back. Let's see what else we got that you would be. It's an heirloom truck. It's been in the family forever, and as I mentioned, 383 stroker, crate motor. Very cleanly installed. Looks good. Like I said, I'm looking forward to seeing more what this young man can do. Check out what he's done in the past. And this truck will be out. I know he's out showing it. So if you get a chance, don't walk by it. It's one, again, that it doesn't grab you by the shoulder and say, hey, look at me. But when you start looking at it, you're like, wow, that's really cool. And when Ben explains to you the work that's been done to it, it's mind-blowing to think, wow, I can't believe you made all them changes and you can't tell where you did it, and you didn't mess up any of the cool at all. I thought y'all would want to see it. Like I said, I'm a fan. I dig it. So there you go, from the 2024 Goodguys Columbus event, a very cool 1964 C10 by Countryside Customs. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.